Are you scratching your head trying to figure out where all your money has gone? You get paid on the first day of the month, and there is no money left in your account by the 15th of the month. Do you find yourself stuck in the same financial position year after year? If so, you have landed on the right video at the right time. Hi everyone, welcome to OFW Wealth TV. Our channel is about financial literacy and general finance, and we hope you enjoy our videos. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when we drop our next video. Hello, future millionaires. Today, we will be talking about 15 money habits that poor people have, but the rich don't. The future millionaires must know which money habits they should give up and which the would-be millionaires develop from early on. If you aim to be a millionaire, be with me till the last second. Let's get started. Number 1. Living beyond your means. Yes, it's reality. One of the most common money habits that keeps individuals in a perpetual state of poverty is living beyond their means. In today's consumer-driven society, it's easy to fall into the trap of buying more than we can afford. Overspending on non-essential items and constantly indulging in unnecessary luxuries can quickly deplete your savings and leave you struggling to make ends meet. Take a step back. Assess your financial situation and prioritize needs over wants to avoid this detrimental habit. Number 2. Neglecting a budget. Do you know a ship without a rudder, drifting aimlessly without direction? Yes, without a budget, your finances are like a ship without a rudder. Failing to create and stick to a budget is a significant money habit that hampers your ability to accumulate wealth. A budget serves as a roadmap for your financial decisions, enabling you to allocate funds towards essential expenses, savings, and investments. Number 3. Ignoring debt. You can't deny that debt can be a massive burden. It keeps you financially constrained and prevents you from building wealth. Ignoring your debts only exacerbates the problem, as interest accumulates and your financial freedom diminishes. Make it a priority to tackle your debts by creating a repayment plan and diligently working towards reducing them. By actively addressing and managing your debt, you can regain control of your finances and pave the way towards financial stability. Number 4. Impulsive spending. No doubt it's shocking, but impulsive spending is a silent destroyer of wealth, often leading to unnecessary purchases and regret. In a world filled with advertisements and enticing offers, it's crucial to cultivate self-discipline and think critically before making impulsive buying decisions. Pause and evaluate whether a purchase aligns with your needs and long-term financial goals. Delaying gratification and practicing mindful spending will not only help you save money but also provide a sense of empowerment and financial security. Number 5. Keeping up with the Joneses. It's a sad reality that comparing yourself to others and trying to maintain a certain lifestyle based on external expectations is a habit that keeps many people trapped in a cycle of financial strain. Trying to keep up with the Joneses often leads to excessive spending and living beyond your means. Focus on your own financial goals and priorities rather than attempting to match the material possessions of others. Cultivate contentment and gratitude for what you have, and make decisions based on your values and long-term aspirations. Number 6. Over-reliance on credit cards. While credit cards offer convenience and rewards, misusing them can lead to a never-ending cycle of debt. Relying on credit cards to fund your lifestyle and failing to pay off the balances in full each month can result in high interest charges and mounting debt. Instead, develop responsible credit card habits by using them sparingly, paying off the balances promptly, and avoiding unnecessary fees and interest charges. Practicing self-control and using credit cards as a tool rather than a crutch will help you maintain a healthy financial position. Number 7. Neglecting an emergency fund. As you know, life is unpredictable, and unexpected expenses can quickly derail your financial stability. Failing to establish an emergency fund is a habit that keeps many people financially vulnerable. Without a safety net, you may resort to high-interest loans or credit cards to cover unforeseen costs. Make it a priority to set aside a portion of your income into an emergency fund. Aim to build a fund that can cover at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses, providing you with peace of mind and a buffer during challenging times. Number 8. Paying late fees and penalty. It goes to mismanagement that missing payment deadlines and neglecting financial obligations can have costly consequences. Late fees. Penalties and interest charges can quickly add up, draining your finances and hindering your progress towards financial stability. Cultivate the habit of paying bills on time, setting reminders and automating payments wherever possible. Number 9. Failing to negotiate and seek discounts. Many people miss out on significant savings simply because they fail to negotiate or seek discounts. Whether it's negotiating a better price on a purchase, seeking lower interest rates on loans, or taking advantage of coupons and promotions, these small savings can accumulate over time. Develop the habit of researching, comparing prices, and confidently advocating for better deals. Number 10. Ignoring retirement planning. No doubt, while retirement may seem distant, failing to plan for it early can be detrimental to your financial future. Neglecting retirement planning is a habit that can leave you financially unprepared in your golden years. Take advantage of retirement accounts and contribute regularly to ensure a comfortable retirement. The earlier you start, the more time your investments have to grow, and the more secure your financial future will be. Number 11. Not investing or diversifying. Leaving your money sitting idle in a low-interest savings account is a habit that prevents you from building wealth effectively. Inflation erodes the value of your money over time, making it crucial to invest and grow your wealth. Diversify your investments across different asset classes to mitigate risk and maximize returns. Consider options such as stocks, bonds, real estate, or mutual funds, based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. Number 12. Failing to track expenses. Yes, it's true. Lack of awareness about your spending patterns is a habit that can keep you in a perpetual state of financial instability. Without tracking your expenses, it's easy to overspend and lose control of your finances. Embrace technology by utilizing budgeting apps or spreadsheets to monitor your expenses. Review your spending regularly to identify areas where you can cut back and save. By tracking your expenses, you gain insight into your financial habits and can make necessary adjustments to align with your goals. Number 13. Neglecting insurance coverage. Failing to have adequate insurance coverage is a habit that can lead to significant financial setbacks in the event of unforeseen circumstances. Whether it's health insurance, auto insurance, or home insurance, neglecting to protect yourself and your assets can leave you vulnerable to exorbitant costs. Evaluate your insurance needs and ensure you have appropriate coverage to safeguard against potential risks. Number 14. Lack of financial education. Again, it's reality. Financial literacy is a fundamental aspect of building wealth and securing your financial future. Unfortunately, the lack of proper financial education is a habit that keeps many people in a state of financial struggle. Take the initiative to educate yourself about personal finance, including topics such as budgeting, investing, and debt management. Numerous resources, online courses, and books are available to enhance your financial knowledge. Number 15. Neglecting self-care. While it may seem counterintuitive, neglecting self-care can have a detrimental impact on your finances. Ignoring your physical and mental well-being can lead to health issues that result in expensive medical bills and decreased productivity. Prioritize self-care practices such as exercise, adequate sleep, and stress management to maintain your overall well-being. Taking care of yourself not only enhances your quality of life, but also reduces the financial burden associated with poor health. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope you like it. We appreciate it if you leave a comment like, hit the bell, or subscribe if you're new to the channel. Take care and see you next time.